Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Dragonfly Facts. The Water Dragon. 1. Dragonflies have big, colorful wings that can let them fly as fast as 34 miles per hour or about 54 kilometers per hour. 2. They have huge goggle-like compound eyes in their heads that let them see in almost every direction at once. 3. Dragonflies actually spend most of their lives in the adolescent nymph stage underwater. They can spend as much as 5 years beneath the surface. 4. Once the dragonfly adapts to breathing in air and molts its last nymph stage skin, it is an adult. Once it finally becomes an adult, it only has a couple more months to live. 5. If it finds a mate within that time, it can lay thousands of eggs. 6. They are excellent predators, as they catch about 95% of all things they chase, including as many as 100 mosquitoes a day. 7. Like hummingbirds, they migrate on their own instead of in groups. 8. Every individual dragonfly is unique, as they all have different colors and patterns on their wings. They are as unique as a snowflake. 9. Like bees and wasps, dragonflies can actually sting. They do it very seldomly to humans, though. And 10. Dragonflies have been around for millions of years, and fossil records indicate that they used to be as big as a modern medium-sized bird. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.